Is your WhatsApp backup stuck at 80%, 90%, 95%, or 99% on your iPhone? This usually happens due to network issues or maybe large backup sizes. But don't worry folks, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the WhatsApp backup stuck issue on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try airplane mode turn on and off. Solution 1. Check iCloud storage and enable iCloud Drive. First, open up the settings. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap iCloud. Tap Manage Storage. Make sure you have enough space in iCloud. Free up the space if you see your iCloud storage is full. After checking iCloud storage, now go back, tap Drive here. Make sure to turn on Sync this iPhone option. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. Open up the settings, then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you don't find the WhatsApp here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to the settings again. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope the issue of your WhatsApp backup getting stuck on your iPhone is now resolved. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.